So today I'm with Abi,
What up?
and we are going to answer the question, what the heck is MCP? I'm sure you've heard it all over Twitter. It seems like it's everywhere. Everyone's talking about MCP this, MCP that, but what actually is it?
So MCP's completely blowing up on Twitter. A lot of companies are getting traction just from having an MCP server. That's how you know you're in a market. But what is MCP? The most valuable thing to do for your agent is to give it tools. That gives it access to do real things. And so today, without MCP, you have to take all the current APIs and functions that you deal with, your SDKs, and you're gonna have to transform them into certain tool formats, which is honestly just kind of a lot of busy work. But with MCP, you have a protocol to essentially give these APIs over this protocol, and the client can connect to an MCP server, and then the LLM will be able to use all the tools that exist on that MCP server. It's pretty cool because now you can have things written in multiple languages, things that you don't have to own yourself.
So what are some examples of some MCP servers that are available and some use cases for why you'd want to use it?
Okay, so here's the double-edged sword where things are right now. There are a bunch of MCP servers in different types of tooling, like Google Calendar, Perplexity, file systems, art generation, etc. But there's also 10 of each in the category. There's 10 GitHub ones, 10 Perplexity ones, 10 calendar ones. So we were at Gatsby, we did integrations, and this is a common problem when you have this space where people want to know what's the best one or which one that we should use. Just a couple of dudes talking about MCP.
So we've been talking to some of the MCP registry providers. Can you tell me about those conversations?
Yeah, last week, Tyler from our team, Tyler Barnes and I, we talked to several MCP affiliated companies. And what we learned was, one, the space is getting really hot. There will be a lot of players that are going to be attached to this MCP registry. And then we discovered what this MCP registry was. There was a conference, AI.engineer. Anthropic released their plans for the registry, which will allow you to discover MCP servers. And then these companies like MCP Run, Smithery, shout out to them, OpenTools, they just want you to be able to discover, and then some of them want you to just host the server with them.
So because there's so much hype and questions around MCP, we're actually hosting a workshop in a couple weeks where Tyler Barnes is going to be walking through how to actually use MCP with Mastra.
Yeah. So if you want to own one of these boats one day, you should come. See you there.
We'll see you there.